Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa ashabihi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today's lecture is very important for all of you, especially for those students who are preparing themselves for PMA long course, PMA 150 long course. So keep in touch and pay full attention and subscribe my second channel, Successful Life, as well. Students, you are lucky because you can take a complete guideline through my channel, and update notes for initial and ISB test are available. You can get through my WhatsApp number, and moreover you can join academy for preparation. For detail you can contact me directly. Join WhatsApp group as well. Interested students who want to join WhatsApp group and my academy, send me your name and city name at 0323916191. This is my WhatsApp number, right? When Pakistan won World Cup of cricket match? The answer is 1992. Which area of Pakistan is sandwiched between China and Indian occupied Kashmir? The answer is Baltistan. In 1945 to 46, which war was fought? The answer is First Anglo-Sikh War. Bristol is the seaport of which country? The answer is UK. Which is the oldest Biraj of Pakistan? PK stands for Pakistan. The oldest Biraj of Pakistan is Sakhar Biraj. The country's biggest irrigation system in the world? The answer is Pakistan. Largest planet of the solar system is? The answer is Jupiter. City of canals. City of canal is Venus. Which is the currency of Sweden? The answer is Corona. This is not COVID-19, right? This is the currency of Corona, currency of Sweden. CD is the currency of which country? The answer is Lee. The first cabinet of Pakistan established? The answer is on 15th of August 1947. That's it. At the end, Durood Sharif. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid.